Meaning of government.
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 Government. The government is a system or group of people responsible for the management and administration of a country or community. Its main purpose is to maintain law and order, provide public services, protect citizens' rights and ensure economic stability. Governments can be classified into different types such as democracy, monarchy, dictatorship, and communism, each having its own set of principles and policies. The role of the government is crucial in shaping the political, social and economic landscape of a nation. It is accountable to the citizens who elect it and plays a pivotal role in ensuring their welfare.